Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Pixverse.ai, which is one of the newest and most powerful AI video generators out there. Pixverse lets you turn text or images into full videos with effects like anime, realistic motion, 3D and more. It is actually great for making short videos, creative content and even social media reels with just a few clicks. So whether you are a content creator, a digital artist or just someone who is curious about the AI tools, this tutorial is for you. I will walk you through how to create an account here, how you can generate your own video, and we will also explore some of the cool features that Pixverse offers. And at the end, I will give you my quick review, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end. As always, all of the useful links that are mentioned in this video linked down in the description box below, so make sure you check those out as well. Now without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, we will go at pixverse.ai, so you need to use the search bar in your web browser and search for pixverse.ai. Over here you will see the option of sign in, and here you need to click on the login option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Since we want to create a new account, simply click on the sign up option, provide your username here, provide your email address here, then create a strong password for your account. You need to confirm your password and fill out this captcha in the bottom. So after doing these things, you will have to simply press continue in the bottom and you need to create your account here. Now once you are done signing up here, you will see all of your available credits in the top right hand corner of the screen. These are used to create your videos. Pixverse work on a credit system, so the longer the video or the higher the quality, the more credits you are going to use. You can also buy some extra credits, or you can even subscribe to a plan under the pricing tab. They usually offer a free trial, or you can start credits for the if you are a new user. Now here in the left hand menu you will see a bunch of different options. Like this is the home page where you can see all of the discovery tabs. These are basically the reels or the videos or the footages that people have created, and you can too create these types of templates. Here if you click on the create option, you will see the models, the duration of the video, the resolution. We will come over here when we take a look at how you can start using it, but for now you can basically use an image or the text in order to generate the video. You can use the pre-made templates just like so. They are also going to provide you some of the transitions. We have the fusion option over here, the extension option over here, sound, speech and whatnot. So here if we go back on this page and click on the template option, you will see all of the trending videos that you can create. If we click on the AI dance, you can also basically customize these types of videos. Now we have the animations tab, and in the assets tab you will have all of the assets that you have created. Animations, as we have discussed earlier, you can create not only anime but also the 3D animations, the comic style videos and the cyberpunk types of videos. So this is kind of very amazing thing. Now let's just try to create our video from the text. So simply click on the create video option and you will be landed on this page. Over here you need to make sure that you have selected the image to text option. Once this step is done, this is the area where you need to give your prompt. So here you can type any of the prompt that is there in your mind. For example, I have this prompt that says a peaceful village in the mountains at sunrise, birds flying, mist in the air. So for this particular response it will cost me 20 credits. So you can see how many credits it is going to take for only one response. So here in the left hand section you can just change the resolution, you can change the duration of your output. Resolution and the ratio is also available here, so you can just make the changes into your images based on these details that are given over here. Now as you can see, according to the text that I gave it, it has created a very beautiful video for me. So if you want to tweak it, if you want to change it, you can do that by providing some other prompts, and you can even download it by clicking on this download option. If you want to add it to album, simply click on add to album option, provide your album a name and click on the confirm option. If you want to share it, you can also share it. If you don't like it, you can delete it. For retrying, it will also cost you some other credits, so be sure that you click on the create button only when you don't like the response. So if we talk about other cool features, we have the templates option, where let's say I want to use this particular template, so you can also use this template and click on the create button, and it will create the same type of video for you. You will also see multiple styles and the models here, like realistic, anime, clay animation, 3D cartoon. You will also get the upscaling and the download option. I already show you how you can download your video, but if you want to upscale it, simply select it and click on the upscale option, and the upscaling will cost you 50 more credits. So if you want to upscale, simply click over here, and if you want to apply for it, for the credits, simply just select the plan and you can subscribe for it. So if I talk about my review, I really like this particular platform. This is super easy to use even for beginners. It is quite fast in generating the responses. It provides great styles and it is very smooth in motion. If I talk about the cons, it has limited credits unless you subscribe for it, and there is no custom audio or the voiceover tools available here. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.